guys, how are you? 1 year has passed since I created my channel, and through those months you saw me adding my license plates here on my wall. The most special license plate that I have is this last one that I did over there. That license plate belongs to my Alfa 33. That car is very special for a number of reasons, but the first reason is because it belonged to a great friend of mine who is no longer with us. So this is the presentation of my project Restoration Alfa 33. This project, this series, is completely dedicated to my friend José Carlos. So, as you may know, this is my Alfa 33. This is the car that we are going to do the restoration and the repairs. Now, I will not do a continuous series, how about to restore an Alfa Romeo 33. I will just do a bunch of tutorials and quick tips while I am doing the restoration. I hope that method is way more simplified and not so heavy for you to assist, but still it will be a very serious and thorough series how to restore Alfa 33 nut and bolt. It will be really, I'm hoping that the restoration that I'm doing here will be somewhat equal or better than when the car leaves the factory. As you may already know, this is my parts car for my 33. I have interior parts, I have doors, I have the roof, the boot lid. There are so many things that I need for this car that I thought it will be better to actually buy a parts car to do this repair. I really am convinced that this car will be the salvation for this project, because this red one, it is really rusty, really rusted. I'm telling you right now, I will not do the sheet metal work and painting on the channel, because I am not qualified to do so. I don't know how to do it, so that part of the job will be done in a professional shop. Okay, we'll just do the mechanicals of it, the electrical parts, the interior, the assembly, disassembly, everything but the sheet metal and the paint. Okay, of course we are checking out the car now every now and again when it is on the repair shop for the sheet metal and the paint, but I'm sorry if I am disappointing you with that part, but just a heads up for that. If you want to follow this restoration, follow this project, don't be expecting any metal or sheet metal work on this car. About this body shell here, don't feel bad for it. This car was not running, it did not have an engine or gearbox, it was essentially scrap. It was a scrap car that I get from a friend. It was just a body shell with interiors and that's it. No wheels, no suspension, no nothing. So don't feel bad for this one, because it was really meant to be scrapped. So now it will have a final purpose to help another Alfa Romeo 33 to continue on the road. Stay tuned for the repair and restoration of my Alfa 33. I hope you guys like this content. I hope you guys can consider subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and please hit the like button. Also, on the description below there is a lot of information that can be useful for you. Thank you so much guys, bye!